Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nurfaiz Fatkur Rahman and my student ID number is 4.34.23.0.17 and I'm from class RA3A. So today I'm going to present my midterm project regarding individual article identification. The article that I have reviewed is titled Empowering Industrial Automation Lab with IoT, a case study on real-time monitoring and control of induction motors using Siemens PLC and Node-RED. So first, let us begin with the background of the study. The rapid advancement of Industry 4.0 has significantly increased the demand for industrial automation system that can be monitored and controlled remotely in real time. Modern industries now require systems that provide data accessibility, analytic, and remote operation capabilities to improve overall efficiency and reduce operational costs. Because of this shift, traditional automation systems are no longer sufficient. However, many existing industrial automation laboratories in educational institutions still rely on conventional PLC systems without any IoT integration. This condition unfortunately limits student exposure to current industry practice. Now, moving on to the aim of the study. This research specifically aimed to implement an IoT-based system for real-time monitoring and control of a three-phase induction motor by utilizing a Siemens PLC and the Node-RED platform. The broader objective is to provide a cost-effective and flexible solution that can be easily adopted by educational institutions. By using open source tools like Node-RED, the study intends to show how conventional PLC system can be modernized effectively without requiring expensive proprietary SCADA software, making Industry 4.0 education much more affordable and scalable. Now, let's look at the novelty of this research. The main innovation is the application of Node-RED as an open-source IoT gateway to bridge the communication between a Siemens PLC hardware and a web-based user dashboard. Unlike conventional SCADA systems, which are closed and very costly, Node-RED offers a lightweight, flexible, and highly customizable alternative for data acquisition. This approach is supported by several research theories. It is grounded in the fundamental principle of industrial control system, focusing on programmable logic controller operation and ladder logic programming. The PLC serves as the primary controller that interfaces with a variable frequency drive or VFD to regulate motor speed. Additionally, it incorporates IoT architecture theories, including device-to-cloud communication and Modbus TCP protocol to translate industrial data into IoT-compatible formats. And next, I will explain the research problems. Traditional automation lab face major limitation because monitoring and control operation must be performed directly on the physical control panel, which completely restrict remote access. Furthermore, conventional setup lack real-time data logging and historical analysis capabilities, making it difficult to track performance trend or diagnose faults. And to solve these problems, the research questions are formulated as follows. First, how can Siemens PLC be effectively integrated with the Node-RED IoT platform to enable real-time and remote monitoring and control of an induction motor. And second, what are the performance benefit and limitation of using an open source solution like Node-RED compared to conventional SCADA system for educational purpose? Now, to address this question, the research methods involved an experimental case study. A CMN PLC was connected to a VFD to control the speed of a 3-phase induction motor using ladder logic programming. Node-RED was then installed on a local server as an IoT gateway, communicating with the PLC via the Modbus TCP protocol to read parameters like speed and current. And finally, a web-based dashboard was developed in Node-RED for visualization and remote user control. In conclusion, the study successfully demonstrated that integrating a Siemens PLC with Node-RED creates a functional, low-cost, and reliable real-time monitoring system. This implementation is highly suitable for educational environment, providing students with valuable hands-on experiments in bridging theoretical knowledge with practically Industry 4.0 applications without commercial software bearings. And I think that is all from my presentation regarding this article identification. And thank you very much for your time and your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.